Hi everyone, welcome to this quick demo on how to run Supervised Fine-Tuning or SFT with LoRa on Fireworks AI. In this demo, we'll be using DeepSeek Distilled Llama 70B model. I'll walk you through every step from data preparation to deployment so you can replicate it for your own use case. LoRa is a game changer when it comes to fine-tuning large models. Instead of updating all model parameters, it trains small low-rank matrices, making it much cheaper and faster. Fireworks AI supports up to 100 LoRa adapters per base model on dedicated deployments, which means you can scale with zero added deployment cost. For 70B models like DeepSeek, Fireworks automatically applies QLoRa, which combines quantization with LoRa for better memory efficiency and training speed. So step 1, you need to check which models are supported for LoRa. For this, you can go to Model Library and click on the filter Tunable. Second, you need to prepare the dataset. Fireworks supports dataset with as few as 3 examples or up to 3 million examples. The dataset must be a JSON-L where each line is an example. And each dataset must conform to the OpenAI schema of Chat Completions API. Once you have this JSON-L file, save it in your local machine. Then step 3, go to the model page and click on Fine-Tune this model. As you see, the model selection is already pre-filled with DeepSeek R1 Distilled Llama 70B because I went to this step through the model page. You can also click on the drop-down list and see what other models are tunable even from this dashboard. Do note that this model does not support serverless LoRa deployment and you need to create an on-demand LoRa deployment for this. Then click Continue and select the dataset. You can either upload the dataset that you have on your machine or you can use a CLI command to upload it to Fireworks first and then select it from the existing dataset tab. Then feel free to customize your evaluation set. Then click on Continue and here you give your model output a name. Then you can click on Advanced option and select parameter values for epochs, LoRa ranking, learning rate, maximum context length, and even turn on early stop. Then just click on Create a job. And that's it. You have now fine-tuned a 70B parameter LLM using LoRa on Fireworks. Once the job is complete, you'll see an option to deploy this LoRa. Then you can choose the LoRa model, create an on-demand deployment, and get started. If you found this video helpful, check out our docs at docs.fireworks.ai and start building with the fastest open model infrastructure out there. Happy fine-tuning!